I want suspenders.
Hi! I'm recording.
Okay. I'm watching Howard's Scissor Fists.
Edward Scissorhands.
Okay, fine. I just love his face. What are you doing? Do you just spaz out whenever you see his gorgeous face? Are you thinking about Drakey's belly dancing?
No!
Yep. God, I'm so mean. God, his face is so cute. Hey, don't hate me. Okay, just because I always tell you to think about it.
Hey Sophia,
What?
let's go black, you never go back.
Where'd that come from?
You've never heard that
Of
before.
course I've heard it. I just don't know where it came from.
Oh, well, I don't know, some black guy.
Oh, I meant like it was totally random where she said it.
Why am I holding this upside down?
Can I have a fudgesicle?
Sure. Kelsey.
Hey, guess what?
He's trying to eat food.
What?
Poor Edward Scissor.
I'm really sad and I don't know
What?
why.
Oh, holy cow, it is raining. Okay, Kelsey's gonna go play in the rain. I'm not taking Carl Zeus out in the rain. That isn't cool. Kiki, get in the house. Okay, I record the rain from the porch.
I would go up, but I don't know if I should because like.
I would go out, but Carl Zeus will die.
Well, I could like go on my jammies.
It's raining.
I could videotape for you.
No, it's okay. I can't get Carl Zeus wet.
Oh yeah, I can videotape for you. It's fine.
And that's okay, I don't want to go out now anymore.
Don't you?
It's like filming Kelsey dancing.
Kelsey, come back!
Don't be like the Philip! What?
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. What are you guys doing? I know it's raining.
Claims she's bleeding. Oh, there's flowers.
What?
Well, there's flowers. You can claim that she's bleeding. This is great.
It's raining. Come back where I can see you. I said come back where I can see you. Yay! Kelsey, your hair is all. Gross. I hate those little red berries that the chickadees eat. I'm gonna go back over here. Yeah.
No, because I bring them girls.
I just locked you out.
Oh no!
You can't get in. Kelsey, I locked you out. You can't get in. Don't get it on curls. Ah, gross. Ew, they smell terrible. Get in the house. Gross. Yucky. You can go back and watch Howard Scissor Fists all by myself. His face is so cute.
The light concealing cream goes on first. Then you blend, blend, and blend.
Blend and blend and blend.
Blending is the secret.
Oh snap.
More concealing cream. But your complexion is so fair. Now this has a touch of lavender in it.
Oh.
Give it a try here. Close enough.
He's a makeup boy.
Okay.
Oh my god. He's purple.
I have another idea. We'll cover up the scars and start with a completely
You
smooth
better
surface.
come out.
Why?
Because I want you to. Put down the camera and come out.
But he's purple.
But it's so fun.
But he's purple.
I don't care.
Okay, well I'm gonna pause it. Okay, I'm gonna go play in the rain then. Now it is. Okay, apparently Pixie is really dementedly sad and retarded in comparison to Carly. That was not nice, Pixie. I freaking hate you. Hate you. Hate you.
Don't hurt Pixie.
Go away. So, yeah, poor Pixie. So digitally impaired in comparison to Carlsius. And I'm sorry for that. Really,
Fine,
I
you know
am.
what?
Well, I'm sorry. I'm just stating the truth here.
Let's look at this.
I mean, I don't even need this light on right there. But your flash is way better than my flash. Even my mom in the other room was like, "Whoa, that was bright."
Oh yeah? Want to see something?
What? Okay, sure. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Okay. So, that was all. I'll probably
Wait,
just tag this onto another video. Okay,
Compared
okay,
to
okay.
that? Okay, look at the difference. How much better is the one? Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Actually, I think
cool.
mine probably can, but I mean, yeah,
You can't
yours
even
is cool.
see it in hers.
Okay, okay. So this will just be tagged on our video, and after this, I'm going to put on pictures of Kelsey that I digitally distorted with Carlsius.
the
So,
movie's starting.
peace out.
You're too pure for this wicked world. Your data's uncorrupted, but does something skip inside you? That's what takes up time in your life at the